Welcome to another Women and Series. It is Etobo Sigwe Ezekolomo. Today I want to discuss know your source of blessing. Know your source of blessing. Many of us want open doors, big breakthroughs, and big financial success. Our ancients, you say, Akunesi Obike. Akunesi Obike. Indeed, when you have money, there is this confidence, there is this joy that it exudes. You know, they say lack of money make a lot of people humble. There are some people who are humble today because they don't have money. But when money comes, you know whether your humility is real humility. But nevertheless, there is this confidence that money gives. That's why our people say Akunesi Obike. So, many people want to experience this joy that comes with money, and they count blessing based on their material success. Incidentally, some people are into ordinary today because of they see it as an avenue, a way that their doors can be opened. You know, by knowing your she, knowing your ndi she, being in good terms with your ancestors, with the gods of your land, or even through a dibia. In my DM, I see a lot of people, telling me about their financial problems and all that. Some people get, even in my comment section, some people ask, how can things get better for them and all that, believing that I am a dibia, that I have the power, to make them rich or to solve their financial problems, their lack, they're experiencing financially. So, to what extent can our ancestors, our chi, our ndishi, the gods, a dibia, open closed doors, these closed financial doors? To what extent can a closed door be opened externally or internally? If a door is closed physically, can it be opened from the spiritual realm or from the physical world? These blessings that we are all looking for, praying for, can it truly be opened by our chi or by ourselves? If it's by our chi, does it mean that everyone who knows their chi will automatically or immediately be blessed? Some people say that once you know your chi, Fadelegema. What does that Fadelegema means? Does it mean that you will become blessed, you will become wealthy, all your problems will be solved? If it's by knowing your ancestors or the gods of your land, does it mean that once you are in good terms with the gods of your land and you are in good terms with your ancestors, there will be open doors, there will be financial blessings? The questions I'm posing in this teaching is, who exactly is the key to your success? Is it you? Who holds the key to your success? Is it you? Is it your she? Is it your ancestors? Is it the gods of your land? I believe majority of the people that listen to my teachings want a blessed and soft life. We all want to experience the joy, the confidence, the fulfillment that comes with financial or material success. However, if you are to experience this success, you must have within you, you must have inside of you the ability to make the right decisions in life. I believe that blessing is the end result of right decisions. So blessing is the end result of the right decisions backed with appropriate actions and execution. So if you know your share and be in good terms with your share and your ancestors and the gods of your land, but you lack the ability to make the right decisions, and these decisions are backed with appropriate actions or execution, that is, if you make the right decisions and you not back these right decisions with appropriate action and execution, then I'm sorry, the blessing you seek will elude you. This teaching is very important to me because so many people are making ordinary to appear mystical and like as if there is one socket that you have to press. If you just press one particular socket or switch, your life will be fine. All the problems in your life will disappear. And I wouldn't want those who are following my teachings to have that kind of mindset, because there is no element of truth in that. There is no socket There is no switch that you switch on once you know your share and everything will becomes good. There is no switch that will come on and once you know your ancestors, everything will be fine. I'm trying for us to have a grounded teaching about life. And what is this grounded teaching? That success comes through making right decisions. Do you have that ability to make the right decisions in life? For you to, whatever we call blessings, whatever we call open doors, breakthroughs, is a sum total of the right decisions we've made in life. At times, some people, when you have made several decisions for like 30 or 20 years of your life, and incidentally, you now realize that you need to know your she, you need to align with your ND you automatically think that once I align with my she this year, that everything, there is this socket and everything becomes good. No. I wouldn't want to deceive anybody that is following my teaching. After you have made after you have made the wrong decisions for several years and you have come to that point of realization that I've been making the wrong decisions and I want to make the right decisions, it will also take time for you to see the fruit of that right decision. That is, if you can make the right decision, because I'm trying to say in this teaching that some people do not even have the ability to make the right decisions, despite that they have known their shit. Yes, some people do not have the right skill set. The mental, should I call it the mental acuity, as in the opportunities that it requires to make the right decisions, the experience it requires to make the right decisions, to be at the right place. For you to even be at the right place is a decision that you made that brings you to the right place in life. So I see many people who follow big men, who follow big women, thinking that this will make them to be successful. I'm sorry, the seed of success is either in you, waiting to be activated, or not in you. If it's not in you, that's the seed of success. That's that ability to make the right decision. You have to set the ground for it to be in your children. And this is where my message is going, or my teaching today is going. Because I want us to be making the right decisions if we are in Ordinana. And I'm saying some of us do not even have the ability to make that right decisions. And if you realize that you do not even have the ability to make that right decisions, know whether you have it in your children. Train your children to have the ability to make the right decisions in life and take necessary action. This truth is bitter. Some of us do not really have what it takes to make right decisions. Maybe because of accident of birth, place of birth, educational qualification, as in there is a lot of things that is going against you. Maybe not even knowing your she on time, not even aligning with your indie she on time. You have ruined your life. An old man called me, the man is in his 80s, and he was telling me that the path he has gone through, that he has made a lot of mistakes, and he realized that he's not able to correct it, that all he's trying to do now is for his children, so that the children will not make that kind of mistake again, for them to know their she early, for them to know their ancestors early, for them to take up some responsibilities that is left for him as the head of his family. So now my point is, you are either a carrier of blessing or your children. You might not be a carrier of light. You might not be a carrier of blessing. Everybody will not be that successful. Everybody will not be that light. Just like everybody cannot take first in a class. Everybody cannot necessarily stand out. But if you don't have it, it doesn't mean your children cannot. It doesn't mean your children cannot. So you can work towards that. Now, how do you know if you're a carrier of blessing or if you're a carrier of light? Simple. You must have the ability to make the right decisions. You must have the corresponding energy to execute the right decisions when you make them. These two things are important. You must have the ability to make what? The right decisions. Then you must have the corresponding energy to execute the right decisions once you make it. There are some people that know that, I'm supposed to know my sheep, I'm supposed to do this particular thing, but they cannot do it. I'm supposed to sit for this exam, it's going to help me, but they cannot do it. I'm supposed to do this so and so thing, but they cannot do it. So you must know when to take the right decisions in life, and you must have the corresponding energy to take those decisions. Some people don't even know what to do. Some people are in a hole and they're still digging, thinking that they are trying to come out of that hole. So can one learn how to do the above? Maybe, maybe not. If you can learn the art of making the right decisions, then your days of abundance will certainly come in this lifetime. One may ask, what then is the role of she? What then is the role of Ndishie? What then is the role of the gods of the land? What's the point of knowing, praying, and sacrificing to these forces if I cannot have a change of fortune in this lifetime? Well, here are the answers. First, these forces, when aligned with, will aid you to make the right decisions. Your chi, your Ndishie, the gods of your land, they aid you in making the right decisions. They can reveal opportunities to you, business opportunities. They can also save you from making the wrong decisions. These forces will help you to keep you safe, to live through your allotted time. For you not to make a decision that is going to kill you before your time. Then thirdly, these forces can help you to bet the right children. I don't know how I'm going to explain this. At times, some of this success we are looking for, you don't have what it takes to bet that success. But through aligning with your forces, they can help you and prepare a child that will come your way, that will help you to solve these problems. So they can help you bet the right children if you do not have what it takes to be the light that you seek, to be that source of your own blessing. So what am I trying to say in this teaching? Your source of blessing is either from you or from your children. The source of your blessing is either from you or from your children. Regrettably, some of us don't have it. Some do. And if you do, I'm saying that your ancestors, knowing all these people, will help you to enhance and make the right decisions. Then if you do not have it, the gods of your land, they will help you to get the right people. What do I mean by the right people? The right children. Because another man's children, another man's light can be your own light. But what you don't have, if your children have it, you have that thing already, because your children are a continuation of you. I know that this teaching will be very hard for some of you. I will be in the comment section to answer any question. Thank you.